guys, so please excuse any background noise. We've got the fans going, we've got the window wide open, it's boiling hot here, but I was just editing my empty house tour and I realised that I didn't do an intro. So hello, I just wanted to say hi and not, you know, just jump straight into the video and just explain a couple of things. So first of all, I just wanted to let you guys know that obviously, as probably most of you already aware, it's a renovation project, so don't expect it to look too great at the minute. It needs lots of work, but that's what this whole process is going to be all about, so we can hopefully at the end of it do a finished home tour. Cars. Yeah, hopefully at the end of it we can do a finished house tour and we'll really be able to see the difference between the start and the end, and we're really looking forward to doing it. Also, this vlog was filmed before the renovation vlog, so obviously this is when the house, we just bought it, we hadn't started ripping anything out, so you can see what it looked like originally, and then our previous video, if you haven't seen that, is the first renovation vlog, so then go and see that and you'll kind of see it in order, in progress. And thirdly, I do just want to say that usually on YouTube, when a YouTuber does a house tour, you expect some kind of mansion or crib style video. This house isn't really that. We're just a normal family in what I'd call a fairly normal house, but we love it and we're really happy to call it ours. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and you'd like to follow along on our renovation journey, and also give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So let's get straight into it. So you walk through the front door and you have this hallway porch area, and as you can see, the stairs go straight up in front of the door. And one of the jobs that we really want to do to renovate the house is to open this wall up a little bit, maybe have like open banisters on one side into this room, which I'll show you in a second, so that obviously this wall would be gone and this part would be gone, to open this space right up, to stop it from feeling such an enclosed sort of area. This would become more like the front porch, and then this room will be more of a hallway. Now it's actually a huge room for a hallway. It's got two really big cupboards in it, and they're really good for storage. So that one's for coats and stuff and shoes, and this one is just got shelves in it. If I swing around here, this is where we've just come from. This is an understairs cupboard, which again, it needs a bit of TLC, but it's really big. Like, there's a lot of space in there for a hoover and stuff. So if I go back, this is the wall that we're hoping to be able to do something with to open up the space, and then this makes it a really nice like front hallway. We could have like a bench along here to put shoes on, and I'm sure we would have other stuff in here as well, because it's, yeah, as I said, a big space for a hallway. So if I take you into what is now currently the kitchen through this door, as you can see, it's not in an immaculate condition. So this is the kitchen. We've got units over there, your boiler. We've actually got a washing machine still here, which is really good, and it's almost new, so we're going to use this for a little while. And then units over here. We are going to keep this as our kitchen for a while, so what we're hoping to do is a bit of a facelift. I mean, the actual doors aren't bad and they're paintable, so we may get new worktops. We're definitely going to get like a new kickboard. The floor's not great, but I think if it's cleaned, I mean, it's very neutral. So it's definitely not going to stay like this, but we're going to make it livable for the time being, because this is going to be one of our renovation jobs a little way down the line. So I'm going to tell you a bit about that now. So we're not exactly sure what we're going to do yet, but the aim is to knock through this wall. So this will be gone. And then I'm going to show you this room, but it's again a little bit confusing. So this is currently the living room, dining room. It's a really good space, and it opens up a little bit more towards this end, and you have patio doors going out. So this is the kitchen wall, and we want to knock that through to a certain end, so that we have the whole kitchen and this space, which will create a big L-shaped living room, kitchen, dining room, basically. Then this end will be walled off at a certain point and will be made into a downstairs toilet and utility room. So this doorway will still be here, but it will just lead into the downstairs toilet. Then to get into this room, we could always leave this door, but what the plan is eventually will be to block this door up and use one of these so that the door is pushed down further. So it's all kind of first ideas. So obviously this is probably going to change a lot from what it ends up being, but I really just wanted to show you what it kind of looks like now. So if you go this way, the last room downstairs is this one, and this is going to be another living room. Probably is going to end up with toys in it and a playroom, but I don't want it to just be like a toy dumping ground. I've got some really nice ideas for this room because it has the chimney breast and it has, well, it doesn't have an open fire, but it has a fireplace feature wall. And for the longest time I've wanted to have inbuilt shelving and cupboards and stuff. So it's going a bit blurry. And then that leads out onto the garden, which I'll probably show you properly another time. So we've got a really big patio area, which we would eventually like to deck. And then the garden is not huge, it's very wide this way. And it goes back further than it looks like it does because there's actually a bit of space behind these big trees. But yeah, it's big enough for us. We don't like anything that's too high maintenance. So bit of grass, bit of decking, place for the boys to play, that's enough for us. And then if we head upstairs, I'm going to show you what our plans are for up here. So the first thing you see as you walk up the stairs, there's quite a narrow hallway, and this is the bathroom, or should I say the shower room. So there's currently just the toilet, the sink and a shower cubicle in here, which isn't ideal with children really for us. So the plan is, this is our 5th bedroom, and it is definitely a box room. So there's not that much we could do with it. We don't particularly need it as a box room, so we thought we could make better use out of it by making it into a bathroom. So the plan is to knock through this wall here. There's already fittings for a bath, but we're actually going to have a shower, quite a big shower in this space. And then we're not sure of the layout of the bathroom yet, but there's going to be a bath, obviously a toilet and a sink in here. So this is going to be mainly the bathroom, but it will also have space into the current bathroom, if that makes sense, all the way up to this wall. So then what will happen, because we don't need this bathroom anymore, we're going to put a wall across here, so that will become the back of the shower into that room. And then where we've got this nice bright window, this wall here, this is going to be knocked out to make this space, ignore that in there for a sec, just this space here, a bigger landing, which I think will work better for us. So if we swing around to this side, this is going to be Elliot's bedroom. So it's a nice size for him. You can't really see too well because it's just bright white at the moment. But yeah, they have these half wardrobes, or they're basically cupboards over the stairs that go into this room and the bedroom there, which I'm going to show in a second, but they're perfect for the boys. So then as we walk down this way, we have Archie's bedroom. So he has the same cupboards, and this is what it currently looks like. So it is going to look fairly different. What we're hoping for is that my dad, who's a carpenter, is going to make him a bed. So it's going to have shelving and drawers and storage, and he will probably love it. And also we've got room for sort of like a chest of drawers here, all of his toys, and there's still going to be loads of space for him to play. So I think he's going to really like this room. Hi! This room is going to become sort of, we're not exactly sure yet, sort of like a bit of a dressing room really. So there's this cupboard over here which needs a door put back on, but it's basically like a cupboard for your pillowcases and towels and sheets and all of that kind of stuff. I said pillowcases first because it's written there, pillowcases, so we know where to put them. And there's little shelves here, which I think is actually quite a cute feature, and I might have them built right up, and I don't know, I'm not 100% sure of what this room's gonna be yet, but it's a really nice space to have. So you walk through here. The loft ladder's down at the moment, but this is going to become our office. So again, it's quite hard to get the gist of the size and everything because it's just painted white, but there's a little alcove in there which would be nice for a desk. And then I'm gonna hopefully have some like clothing in here, like rails for when I do like beauty and not beauty, for when I do fashion videos. Also filming, like a filming space, you know, all of that kind of thing. I don't really want to call it my beauty room because it's not really going to be, but it's going to be an office slash filming room for my sort of sit down videos. So I'm so excited about that and what I can do with that in there. And then this room is our bedroom. So again, it really does, it's quite dark on this camera. Let me see if I can brighten it up. So yeah, we do need to make a few changes in here, but obviously you can see where the bed's gonna go. It was kind of where it was before, and there's the plugs there. I'm planning on having like small chests of drawers either side because it's a very long room, so you can kind of fit those in instead of just bedside tables, so that'll give us more storage. I thought at one point I might have to give up my dressing table, but when we found this house, there's a perfect corner for it there, so I think I can still have it. It just becomes a bit difficult because this wall has a door on it, so there's not much you can put along there. I'm probably going to put a mirror up here. But this is our ensuite, which we never thought we would have either. It's a very small one, and it does need a bit of work again, but we have one. And it has a shower, which does definitely need some work. But it's got a window, it's got a toilet, it's got a sink. So what more could you ask for, really? I'm really, really pleased that we have that. And then, yeah, finally for this room, we have wardrobes. So these are actually really big. They haven't been laid out amazingly for us. Anyone that knows me knows I'll probably need a little bit more hanging space than that, but it's a really good size wardrobe for both of our clothes and some of my accessories as well. Poor Ricky, he's gonna have like this cube. Not really, but you know, I think it's really lovely to have that built in so that we don't have to worry about buying wardrobes and finding a place for them to go. They're all built in.